Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Fingerprint Tech. Today we are going to unbox the Mi 10T. This is the non-Pro version and it supports 5G here. And if you look at it here, it's a cosmic black color. Comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage inside. And these are the bands that it supports. The box is all in white. Now without further ado, let's unbox this before we take a look at the gift box later on. So this phone uses Snapdragon X65 and has a 64 megapixel main camera, but it doesn't have OIS. Now what's inside here? So that's why it's cheaper than the Mi 10T Pro, which features 128 megapixels and OIS. And as you can see, the phone doesn't support the headphone jack here, so that's why it comes with this adapter here, some menus inside, warranty card. Now this phone comes with 2 years warranty with 6 months of screen crack protection, which is good. And here's a free case here, plastic look through but with a Xiaomi logo here, good enough for a starter pack. And here is the phone itself. Another selling point is it features a 144Hz adaptive sync display and a 64 megapixel AI camera. It actually has 3 camera lenses inside, a wide angle lens and a macro lens. Yeah. And it also has 5000 mAh battery, which will last you a day long with a 33-watt fast charging system. Now let's take the phone out first and see what's inside. So charging adapter, charging wire here, red color, orange or red color inside. If you can see, features USB Type-C. And here is the 2-pin charging adapter. What's it? 5V to 3A or 12V to 2.25A. It's quite heavy actually. I like the color. And then there's nothing more in the box. Then let's take a look at the phone itself. This is the black color here. As you can see, very shiny. The main camera is the 64MP camera. It's a flash here. The camera bar is huge, if you can see. Pretty huge. And the phone itself is already pretty thick, but because of the battery. I think there's an IR buster here. There's a front speaker here. A dual speaker here as well at the bottom. This one acts as an earpiece as well as a speaker. Here's a single 32 megapixel front camera. Here's the power button, pressable, and also a fingerprint scanner here as well. Volume up and down button here. And the bottom micro SIM card slot. And then also the USB Type-C. Nothing on this side, on the left side. Overall, in the hand feels good. Quite a print magnet here. Without further ado, let's try and power it up. Supports 5G and it also features UFS 3.1, which is very fast. So, it comes with MIUI 12. And then we can test the fingerprint speed here. I must say the haptic feedback is pretty good. Now let's test how fast is the fingerprint sensor. 1, 2, 3. That's very fast. 1, 2, 3. Very accurate as well. Cool. So actually, if you can see, I don't know if you can see, but there's actually a pre-installed screen protector already, which is nice. Let's try with the case and see how it looks. Looks pretty good. The case is in the hand. Really nice. Let's test the camera quickly. That is pretty fast. I think the picture quality is really good actually. Pretty bright. Yeah, so that's about it. I think that's all. As you can see, there's some bloatware inside, but still bearable. And MIUI looks a lot more stock here. Wow, it even comes with pre-installed Lazada. Interesting. So I got this phone at 1500 RM, which is quite a good deal considering it has a 6.67 inch Full HD screen with 144 Hz of refresh rate and coupled with 6GB RAM, 128GB of storage, and top spec 865 Snapdragon processor. So this phone should last a while with a very huge 5000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging. So yeah, I think this phone is a perfect value for. Now here is the gift box from Xiaomi here, from where I bought. Let's just take a quick look inside. Innovation for everyone, gifts only. So there's a keychain here. I think this is a card holder. Some magnetic inside. And then I'm not sure what is this. I think this is for earphone. Just an earphone holder with some USB cable here. And then this is the second level. I got Xiaomi got this AirPod holder here. Silicone. Then I don't know what is this. Some kind of accessories. It's all plastic actually. And then this is the Bluetooth speaker, where it comes not functioning. I believe we need to charge it first. Some keys to press here, a silicone band here, and from what I heard, I think we can't expect much from the sound quality. So yeah, so this is the gift box from Xiaomi. And that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you like it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.